Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance on the vehicle. The other day I was driving, there was a check engine light that came on. It was like for all-wheel drive, so I called Dan. He said it's my AYC. Sometime on these vehicles, I think they had a recall on the AYC. You could actually, it's like a 10-year 100,000 miles or 8 years 100,000 miles or something like that, where you can actually bring it back to the factory and get it fixed if it's damaged. But it was I looked in the back and the fluid was actually pretty low, so we went ahead and bought some fluid. So he said wait until the car is cold, which is another day, and then just fill the fluid up to a little bit over the minimum. But yeah, it's a little dirty. I gotta bring this inside to get it clean. Let me just grab this out of here. And whew, it's a lot of, yeah. Stay there. Oh, let me see. I might as well just clean all these rags. Alright. And let me move these out the way. Get the brush away real quick. Alright, so moved it out the way. And it's located right here. So, I don't know if you guys can see it well. The fluid level is pretty low. It's down here, the minimum's up here. So, yeah. What happened is I went to a Mitsubishi dealership, or like, it's not really a dealership. Well, it certified in dealing Mitsubishi parts, and I got this thing. So, ATF SP3. Yeah. He told me, so Dan was like, just use this to fill it up. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let me see, it even says it up here. It even said, look, ATF SP. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, it's my first time doing this. Doing it one hand too. Ooh. Pretty difficult to do this with one hand, guys. I'm gonna try to, okay, right there. Just pour it in. So, still below minimum. Still below. Alright. So I didn't go all the way. I went a little bit up minimum, and yeah, right there in between. I don't want to fill it up too much, so let me wipe this down real quick. All right, peeps, so yep, there it is. There's the line for maximum up there, line for minimum right there, and I cleaned her all up. Let me plug her in and close up, and then we'll move on to the next thing. All right, peeps, it's back in. I left the tools out because that's on our next project. I actually have to turn this vehicle around so it can face here, like 30 videos ago or something like that. I got to re-aim these headlights because it's actually aiming, instead of like forward like that, it's just like right here. So I'm already seeing this much view at night, and up here is really dark, so pretty dangerous. So I got to re-aim the headlights. Hopefully I'll do it correct this time, but yeah. So I'm gonna turn the vehicle around, put it over there, turn the light on, because since we got some shade, tape it up a little bit, take the bumper apart, and then from there we'll aim the headlights. All right, let's do this. Let's get a cold start. Alright peeps, so I turned the headlights on and moved the vehicle up. As you can see, I don't know, it's really low, it's aiming low, so I want to bring it up higher. So we're gonna have to mark this line on pretty much straight across with some tape, and hopefully we could bring it up higher, well, as high as we can, so at night I'm not just looking on the ground, I'm actually looking further ahead. So let's go ahead and get this bumper apart. But actually, while I'm getting the bumper apart, I'm gonna try to touch up some of this imperfection that I did with the spray paint. So yeah, let's get that done. Let's go ahead and take the bumper apart, huh? Or magic. Boom, just like that. I wish it was like that, but it actually took me a lot faster this time, like 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, not even, it took me a lot faster. Maybe because I'm missing a lot of bolting clips, I don't know, who knows. All right, let me move this to the side and turn on lights and adjust it now. Just want to show you guys the line again. It looks a little crooked. Yeah, well, it actually is like slanted down like that. I don't know what I did last time. I think I adjusted this side a little higher than that, but still both of them are still really low. And yeah, let's hopefully we could adjust it today. Sure you guys remember, if I can find it, it's all the way up here. Let me see. All right, it's actually behind the light right here. Up here is a round switch, well, round circular things where you just feel like turning the wheel, and it should adjust the light. So let's see. Get my hand in there first. Going. Here we go. Oh, that's going low. So here we go. You see it going above the line? It actually go pretty above. I like it. Let me keep turning this thing. It's hard to get your hand in here. Especially you got fat hands like me. Let me stop it a little bit. Alright. You guys see it? So this originally, when I set this tape, at the top of this line was on the bottom here. So as you can tell, it is going up. So let's bring it up higher than that. I don't know actually how high am I supposed to go, but we'll find out tonight if it's not high enough. Guys, what do you guys think? Is that high enough? I mean, it looks like it's really high. It's even. Looks even. And yeah, it looks pretty even to me. Definitely a lot better than where it was. So hopefully it shoots a little bit further than I want. I mean, further than it originally was. And yeah, we'll probably see tonight on the test run tonight. I'll let you know in the next video, or probably in this same video, how it is. But that's how you adjust the light. There's a little round lever. It can't really show you from here because I don't know. Let me see if I can. Oh, I can't get the camera in here. But pretty much, if you look at the V-lanes, it's in the center, all the way in the back. There's a round lever, so it's pretty much right here. If you hold your hand right here in this little clip in the back, there's a little round lever where you can turn right or left, and it'll aim the headlight up or down. So yeah, most of the headlights are like that. You can't get it from above, so just got to take the bumper off and get it from the bottom. But yeah, there goes aiming the headlights for today. Let me fix this. So when I was putting this together, I accidentally got some chips from here, and here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna take this apart because it's a pain putting it back on. I'm gonna spray it onto like paper or something, a paper plate or something like that, and then get a brush and then just tap it, or tap it with my hand, tap on it. Hopefully it's all right. May clean it up a little bit and then start spraying on it. Well, touching it up. Alright guys, so this is probably the worst idea I ever did in my life. I should have just took it off, but it is what it is. I'm gonna let it dry and then just leave it. Really, I'm done with this bumper. So I went ahead and put the bumper back on while we waited for this to dry. But I mean, it ain't come out too bad. I mean, a little here and there and there and there, but whatever, you know. For our way, it looks really good. So
yeah. I guess that'll be fine. I mean, I'm not gonna fuck with it anymore. So, yep. But yeah, man, I can't wait for this engine bay to look a lot nicer than what it is. It just looks like completely stock car with a K&N intake. Yeah, don't look good at all. Can't wait to put the catch can on, new cover, new piping, just a couple other stuff in here. Probably new heat shield. I need a heat shield in here. I've always been saying I need a heat shield because the stock one is out. I don't drive it hard, but still I need to get a heat shield up in here. Yeah, just can't wait. What do you guys think? I'm thinking about I should powder coat this bar red. Would it be too rice? What do you guys think? I think it will look nice. Red here, red piping, red valve cover. I think it'll look nice. That's it for the red. I won't go any more crazy, you know, for now. But yeah, hopefully the headlights is good. We'll see tonight. What else we gotta do today? Oh, so you guys remember last time I mentioned that we're gonna stop with the flex view. Let me get this dirt out of here because I sat up the car earlier. Got all this crap on me. All right, so yeah, we're going to change from our flex fuel to 93. I'm actually running pretty low on gas. I'm at 30 miles left, and so yeah, it's time to fill up on 93. I'm gonna head over to the gas station, fill up on 93, and call it a day. Our last drive on 85. Gotta head to Sheets. Oh, obviously you guys already know that because I told you guys I'm gonna head to the gas station. I'm so sad still. Last pull. Oh, I love it. Sounds so good. I was gonna give you guys the last pull, but BMW's in the way. Can't really do much. Oh, 93. Here we go. Benefit of flex fuel, dude. Go either one. Alright. Here it is, full. Ooh, $32. Yeesh. Not too bad. Peeps, got back to the house. That's pretty much it for the vlog today. Just a couple maintenance here and there. On the next vlog, I got some new I don't know if you could call them mods or just some new change up for the vehicle. Also, we're going to take care of some other maintenance issue like the tire, stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning into this vlog, peeps, and I'll see you next time. Peace.